Hello, good evening. My name is Oko Lawrence. I'm a data analyst, and today I'm going to be showing you my new project, and which I'm showing the visual representation today for wine data. So as we can see the dashboard, we have various charts here to drive home our points on the transactions here. So we've been able to see the point count, and this is for Glianico. So let's just go back to default to be able to see what we have. Yes, so this is the default. So here we have average of 88.45. we have price and points by province. Been able to see that Toscana province, our price of 244,522, then points of 525273. So various, and as we begin to show California, California's ranking highest here. So that's it. So as we navigate through, we begin to see as various charts interact with each other to be able to see who tasted the wine, how many point count, what is the percentage, what's the previous percentage, and so many other things that we are going to be looking at. So let's without wasting time, let's just go through let's navigate through the countries. Now look at Armenia, for instance. Armenia have just 2 count at the average of 87.5. Then Bosnia and Herzegovina have 2 also, 86.50 at 173 points. So we have Bulgaria. So many of them you can actually navigate through. We have Brazil. You see the charts, the dashboards, how interactive it's moving, trying to tell you that this point at this particular place, the people who have validors, vendors having a price of 286 and a point of 752, then the count of 52. So we can see all these things. And on the points on the region 1, price points count by region 1, we're beginning to see Colombia having a price of $106, and that's a Colombia Valley, WA. Then we have taster name, and which having that same count of 42, and percentage of first, which is 100. Bourdieu's, the first variety he tested is Bourdieu's style red blend. So for those my people out there who knows, I know most of them will know this wine. So I'm not really a wine person, but I'm just trying to go through and see the information that we have to get out from this data. It's quite interesting, although the project is a bit most hectic one, but thank God we've been able to get something that makes sense out of it. So we look at the taster name, people who tasted the wine. I have so many names there. Can see Alexander Pietri, 416 point count. Then we have his Twitter handle is at Vosroja, region 2, Southern Oregon, point count 12. So we've been able to see that on also here 100% Alexandra Petri. Can see the name, point count, and so many of them like that. Christina Pickard, Fiona has got 28 point and 86.89 points on average. Then the highest price for Fiona so far have been $80 for wine. So Jim Gordon, been able to see Jim Gordon, and Jim Gordon first variety Anglianico, and having a point of 4319. percentage of first test is 100%, so you must really like this wine. So you can see the point there, it's 100%. Then we have Joe. We have Joe here. Joe also a very high point, 100%, and a kind of 7772. So it's really interesting to see so much information we can really espouse from derive from all these from the data. So it's this data analysis thing is becoming so interesting, I must tell you the truth. So making sense out of something that does not really make sense in the first place. So we looking at varieties of the wine. We have Angiogitico, we have Aidani, you can see various data. We have Irene. So many names of wine, man. I'm really amazed by the kind of name I'm seeing here. So many names. Some countries have different. This is red wine blend. So let's check the highest tasters on this one. We have Roger Voss and Annie. Okay, Rogers have a 40 count at 100%. Australian red. The first variety is Australian red blend. Then we have the second runner here, Annie Crebella, the main debut, 22 point count, 55%, previous 55, and same blend. So let's see this Azar. That name's looking interesting. Azar, we have a 3 point count here at average of 86, and man, a whole lot. Let's check Australian whites. Let's check it by country. It's only Australia we have here. By tasters, we have only 2 tasters here, and we've checked them before actually. Then let's look at what we have here too. How many tasters do we have here? Oh, quite a number of them. We have Alexander Pietri, Anna Lee, Jeff Jensen, Paul Grenard. Let's just click one of them to see. Paul, okay. And which province is Paul? Oregon. Okay, that's cool. Then which region in terms of region 1? Or region Ribbon Ridge. Then region 2, based on Twitter handle, we see that Paul G1A, that's at Paul G1A on Twitter handle, you can see that. So those are just the few points I want to play here. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, spread the news, and if you have any job on data analysis, feel free to contact me. Then I'll be there to give you a good quality job, So at this point, I'm signing out, and I hope you like it. Please stay tuned for more videos as we get more data to play with. Thank you, and have a good day.